So MyFitSpark is a brand that's become quite popular and synonymous with dash cameras, action cameras and even projectors. So this was basically established in 2019 and from the past 6 to 7 years has been establishing itself as the go-to brand for most consumers and customers looking forward for some tech products. And as the tagline speaks out, true specs, nothing else. This has built a trust among its customers, its consumers, offering you genuine specifications unlike other brands who probably might miss out on that. The focus of MyFitSpark has been to bring out quality products that match the industry leaders, even surpass them, and at the same time giving you an affordable price, giving you an approachable price. So if you have been following my channel, you would know that I brought up a series of videos on the MyFitSpark dash cameras. So these dash cameras basically are tremendous value for money in the price segment they come in. Now all the dash cams under MyFitSpark get the latest Novatech AI chipset, which enables the camera to work very efficiently, at the same time bring out the best picture quality. One more feature which MyFitSpark has been very popular is its super accurate ADAS features, close to 99.99% accurate. So I've personally tried and tested out the ADAS features in the cameras, even made a dedicated video on it. And the ADAS features within these cameras are very reliable and are gonna help you a lot in your day-to-day driving. MyFitSpark dashcams offer you 4 different ADAS features, whereas other brands might offer you 2 or 3. At the same time, all the specifications offered by these cameras are true and genuine, unlike many of the cameras which might offer you an interpolated or an upscaled resolutions. MyFitSpark gives you what they claim and give you genuine specs without any exaggeration, without any changes. These dash cameras also offer you a premium IPS display even in their entry level, that's the MyFitSpark DC Wi-Fi Duo, which comes in around a price bracket of about 5,999. So if you want to take a look at some of the dash cameras from MyFitSpark, I'll give you a link for all the review videos which I've made previously on these cameras. You can just check them out in the description below. Talking about action cameras, MyFitSpark has 3 different models: the Dolphin 1.0, that's the flagship model, the Eagle i15 Pro Max, the middle variant, and an entry-level Eagle i12 action camera. The flagship action cam, the Dolphin 1.0, is currently the best-selling mid-premium action camera with a refined build quality and finish. So this basically comes at a price of about 10,999 on Amazon and about 11,999 on the official MyFitSpark website, with some extra free offers up to 3,000 rupees, which might include a battery and even a fast charging dock. The Dolphin 1.0 gets a 2.2-inch Gorilla Glass full screen bezel-less display. This shoots a native 4K resolution at 30 frames per second without any level of upscaling. No fake claims, true specs, what MyFitSpark is known for. This also gets a electronic image stabilization EIS for shake-free videos, gets a wireless mic support as well. So this wireless mic basically comes at a price of about 1,999 and it's compatible only with the Dolphin 1.0. The middle variant, the Eagle i15 Pro Max, comes at a price of 8,999 on Amazon, but on the official website you might get it at about 9,999 with some extra goodies which might include an extra battery, a charging dock, even a Type-C wireless mic. This too gets a native 4K 30fps dual screen of 2 inches and 1.4 inches, along with electronic image stabilization and a wireless mic support. The base variant, the Eagle i12, is priced at 5,999 on Amazon and has a single screen without touchscreen, still offers an external mic support, native 4K and a Sony sensor. Best for someone who is taking their first step into the world of action cameras or moto vlogging. Moving on to the projectors, MyFitSpark has CINEMAGIC 101 projector. So this is India's first truly 100% sealed optical engine projector, which means no black spots, no LCD burnout, dust-free, maintenance-free with a long lifespan. This is priced at about 29,999 with a native 1080p Full HD projection along with a 4K support. This also gets high contrast ratio with deeper blacks, HDR10 support, fast 3-second autofocus and auto keystone correction, along with supporting HDMI ARC, Bluetooth 5.4 and Wi-Fi 6. All of these amazing features make the CINEMAGIC 101 one of the best home theaters available in India under the price bracket of 50,000 rupees. So considering all of these products and the amazing features they offer at an immense value for money price, if you're in the market looking for either dash cameras or action cameras or even a projector for that matter, MyFitSpark is a brand which you can definitely rely on, and your next purchase should be from the MyFitSpark brand. So if you are interested in grabbing any one of the dash cameras or action cams or even the projector, all the purchase links are given right down below in the description. Go ahead and grab it without any worry, because MyFitSpark does not offer you false claims, does not offer you a false promises. It offers you genuine specs with genuine quality. This is definitely a brand which you can totally rely on. So if you did like this video and if you like the effort that's gone into making this video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video with all your friends who are looking for genuine dash cameras, genuine action cameras and even a home projector. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.